Hello guys, this is Gardens and welcome to our tutorial. In this lesson we're going to learn how to apply UV mapping. Okay, so if you have a complex polygon object, you may not want to apply multiple maps to it as we did in the previous tutorial. Okay, you may want to do what is called UVW mapping. What this does is it allows you to take a single map and then map it to multiple parts of the polygon object. So now let's go ahead and see exactly how this works. Okay, I've got this file in Photoshop. Let me just bring it up. I've got this file in Photoshop, and I actually just created the front, like the front, back, and one side, okay, of the robot that we're working with, and everything is laid out on one single file. Okay, that way I don't have to create multiple maps, and it just sits to the polygon objects as it is. It just fit in. So now I will map parts of my polygon object to the parts of my bitmap. So I'll just close this one. Before I do that, I'll just make sure. Okay, before I do that, I'll just select the body and modify. Sorry, create. Jeez, let me just bring. Polygonal. Sorry, display, hide and selected objects. So now select that one and just add this little blend material that we've got on here, and as usual go through the usual file, select that, and we've got a front, back, and side UVW, that one, and open. Okay, we've opened it, but we need to turn on hardware texturing and just make sure you're in high quality rendering. So when we do that, I bought a new mouse, by the way. This mouse is different. We do that, you can see it's been mapped all different, all jumbled up and stuff. Okay, so jumbled up. So now let's take it to the front. Front is that one. So now go to window. You've got UV text. Before I do that, guys, we can do this in one of the two ways. Okay, one way is we can right click, then UV, and then click UV. Now this UV that we've clicked on has these coordinates. These are called UV texture coordinates. Okay, and with these UV texture coordinates, you would be able to see exactly what side you're actually looking at by, if we bring up window, UV texture editor. You see that UV texture editor in here. So now we were meant to see let's see, let's do it again. Do it again. UV texture editor. We've got that. We've got the body. See, what did I do wrong? There you go. So window, UV texture editor. We've got that. So now that's the front. Okay, so click on UV. If we click on that, you'll notice that, okay, that's the one that we're actually supposed to move to the front. Okay, so let's select that. We can select that and bring this one there. Okay, doesn't matter. These ones are on the way. We'll just move them away. We'll just move these away. That's the one that we want. We'll bring it there and just scale it. You can use that. So scale it and just move it a little bit. Make it fit. Scale the sides a little bit. Yeah, that's good enough. So we've actually done the front. Okay, now we're gonna do let's do the back. Let's do the back. So just go in here and just write in the back. Okay, so we don't know which one the back is, so we can select that coordinate, and you will learn that this is the back. So now we're gonna click on that. Okay, select the whole object and just bring this here. Oh, take this off. Bring this one there. Okay, scale it. Just move it the way you want it. Okay, move it as good as you want it to be. Now if you look at this object, if we look at this object, okay, if we look at this object, I don't know if it's right to me, but we'll find out. One way to find out. So now let's go to the side. Let's go to this side and figure out which one the side is. This, sorry guys, I've actually done the back is supposed to be okay. Take that one off, bring that one there. That's the back. Scale it. This can take some time depending on how good you want it, but for me, I just want to make sure I get it right. Okay, so now that's the front. Good, right? Now we've got the back. Now if we look at the back, I want this to be below, okay, to be at the bottom. Right now it's at the top, so we can actually rotate it. Okay, we can just rotate it using that. Make sure it's selected. Make sure it's selected and just rotate it. There you go. Now it's yeah, it's perfect to me. So now let's do up the side now. So if we go back on here, I'm just making sure you guys understand. I want the left side, this side. Okay, so I don't know which one the left side is, so I'm gonna go UV coordinates again and just click on that little coordinate. Now we know it's actually that box. Okay, I'm gonna select the whole thing. Sometimes it can be a pain. UV object. Just bring that and just scale it. Want to scale it that way and just up. That's good enough. Now let's take it to the side and see. Now it's too, if you see, they're not good. It's not good, so let's the side. That's about right. Now we just have to move it so that move it down a little bit. Yep, that's pretty good. Yep, that's pretty good. Now we'll just close that. Now we've got the back, left side, and the front. The front, left side, and the back. We've mapped it all out. Okay, we've mapped it all out. Now it's perfect. We just need to map this side, but that wasn't part of the plan. I just wanted you guys to see exactly what we were meant to do. So there you go.